In this video, I'll show you how to get back on Facebook Marketplace after being blocked. If you've lost access to Marketplace, don't worry. There are a few steps you can take to submit a claim and request access again. First, log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Help and Support. Then, click on Report a Problem. This is the tool Facebook provides for issues like marketplace restrictions. A form will appear. Choose the option that says Something went wrong. In the next step, you'll be asked to select an area where the problem occurred. From the list, choose Marketplace. After that, describe your issue clearly. For example, you can say that your marketplace access has been blocked and you believe it was by mistake, or that you want to appeal the restriction. Keep your explanation short but precise. If you have a screenshot that shows the block or restriction, go ahead and attach it to make your claim stronger. Once everything is filled out, click Submit. There's also an alternative way to do this using the Facebook mobile app. Open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the three-line menu icon, often called the hamburger icon. From here, scroll down and tap Help and Support, then choose Report a Problem. The steps are the same as on desktop. Select Something went wrong. Choose Marketplace. Explain your issue. Attach a screenshot if you can, and then submit your claim. After you've submitted your request, Facebook will review it and notify you once they've made a decision. Keep an eye on your notifications or your email for updates. That's how you can request to get back on Facebook Marketplace after being blocked.